you want to create a palette out of your product, you can select your object, right click, and palletize. You can see it create a palette for you, but in this case it's too big. You can make it a smaller palette. I think this is nice. The layer stacking on top of each other, you can make it 2. We have a different pattern, build pattern or raw pattern. Interlock 1, column 1, 2 columns, interlock 1, interlock 2. You can specify the gaps between the items and the layers. And now we have a pack of your product. It works with any object in Boxshot.